What's up guys, it's me Geek. So now what about the themes on the EMUI 8 or the Note 10? Go to the themes. Again there's like free advertisements. It's not like free, I mean booking pay for them, but there's advertisement. Even I bought this phone brand new, I pay for this phone. This like Amazon Prime phone, something like that. Still we're having like a I love booking.com, my favorite, but still I don't know what to say. I mean, these are the themes. I mean, you can buy or you can download free. I mean, you can go to my themes. I mean, again, I can make an account. I mean, yeah, themes. Maybe I want to use this themes. I don't like this big one. Okay, maybe struggle. Yeah, I can easily download and install the themes. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.